Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious crab recipe. First, select fresh, lively crabs that feel heavy for their size. This indicates a good amount of meat inside. Ensure their shells are firm and they have a fresh, ocean-like smell. Before cooking, it's important to clean the crab. You'll need to remove the apron, gills, often called dead man's fingers, and any digestive organs. This preparation ensures your crab is ready for the next steps and will taste its best. There are several excellent ways to cook crab, each bringing out unique flavors. Steaming is a fantastic option as it helps retain the crab's natural sweetness and moisture. For crab legs, steaming usually takes about 6 to 8 minutes. Boiling is another common method, especially for whole crabs, which might take around 12 minutes or 3 to 5 minutes for legs. For a different taste, consider grilling or baking your crab legs. This can add a lovely smoky or caramelized note, with cooking times ranging from 5 to 25 minutes, depending on the method. Once your crab is cooked, it's time to enhance its delicious flavor. A classic approach involves a good seafood seasoning blend, often including Old Bay, paprika, celery salt, and a touch of cayenne pepper for a little kick. These spices truly elevate the crab's natural taste. For serving, simple melted butter and fresh lemon wedges are traditional and perfectly complement the sweetmeat. Consider pairing your crab feast with classic sides like corn on the cob, boiled potatoes, or a crisp green salad for a complete and satisfying meal. Now for the best part, cracking and enjoying your crab. You'll want to have the right tools, such as a crab cracker or a small mallet for the tougher shells, and a seafood fork to carefully extract the meat. Start by twisting off the legs and claws, then crack them with gentle pressure to avoid crushing the delicate meat inside. Don't forget the body. Break it in half and use your pick to get to the rich, flavorful meat hidden within the body chambers. Take your time and savor every delicious bite.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.